Hello children, welcome to computer classes. Myself Ritpal Kaur from St. Joseph's Academy Ghaziabad. This video is for class 8, subject computer, topic networking of computers part 2. In the previous videos you must have learned about networking, network server, different requirements of the networking and advantages of network. This video will help us to understand the types of networking. As you all know, there are different types of networking, and this presentation will help you to understand how different types of networking helps in communicating with each other. Types of networking. Networking covers a wide range of distance as well as specified least range of area. It can vary in number of devices connected to each other. It can transmit information worldwide in no time. According to the range of transmission or area, networking can be classified into the following kinds. Number 1, PAN, that is Personal Area Network. Number 2, LAN, that is Local Area Network. Number 3, CAN, that is Campus Area Network. Number 4, MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. And the last is WAN, that is Wide Area Network. Let us discuss all these type of networking turn by turn. Let us discuss all these type of networking one by one. The first one is PAN, Personal Area Network. It connects various electronic devices such as computer, cellular phone, and personal digital assistant PDAS with one another. The range of transmission of area of PAN remains only a few meters. Wireless connection may be used by PAN. As we all know, at home, we can connect many devices with one main computer, that is the server. So that example is for PAN. PAN means Personal Area Network, where the computers or the various devices are attached with each other with the main computer. The next type of networking is LAN. LAN means Local Area Network. As the name suggests, all the computers of the local area are connected to each other. This local area can be specified area like an educational institute, factory, research laboratory, office, hotel, or a single-story building. Computers are directly connected by cabling within a limited range of area. It is much similar to telephone system. Today, use of microcomputers is increasing. To share data and information, resources, systems need to be linked with each other. Suppose there are 5 computers and 1 printer in an institute. With the help of LAN networking, all the 5 computers can avail the service of printer. LAN is a proper method to utilize this facility. Features of LAN. It covers relatively short distances. It delivers data at a fast speed. It contains 3 to 12 PCs, storage devices, printers, and other peripherals. User can add or remove pieces or peripherals to or from the system. In this networking system, computers use their own computing power and do not depend on the host. The next type of networking is CAN, that is Campus Area Network. It is made by interconnecting 2 or more local area networks. An area covered by CAN is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. In 2 different places, 2 networks are there. They are of local area networks. When the 2 local area networks are connected with each other, or we can also connect more than two local area networks, that is considered to be CAN, that is campus area network. The next type of networking is MAN. MAN refers to metropolitan area networking. One or more network of all the metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Bengaluru are connected to each other by the means of networking called metropolitan area network. It is limited to a particular city and connected to the computers within that area. The next type of networking is wide area network, that is WAN. More than two networks are connected to different geographical locations. This network is used to connect far and wide networks in order to share various useful information. Two different type of networks means one side we are connecting local area networks and another side we are connecting CAN, that is campus area network. When these two different type of networking are connected with each other, that is called wide area network. These are nowadays widely being used in educational institutes, laboratories, etc. The example of WAN are internet connections and the cellular phones connections. As you all know, these mobile connections are being connected with internet. That is also an example of WAN. That's enough for this video. Hope you understand the different type of networking. Thank you.